What's up, guys? Today we tried Kaiten Zushi at Koreatown, NYC, Manhattan. Suggestion from him right here, and it turned out to be great. Hey guys, Dylan here. Today we're trying out Kaiten Zushi at Koreatown, New York City, Manhattan. It's a very cool concept, as you can see, there's conveyor belts, and right here, Ginger and Wasabi came by. It's a very cool concept that's very popular in Asia, but hasn't really taken off here. So as you see, this restaurant has tried a new concept, trying a conveyor belt method where it's really no service required. You order on the tablet and it comes straight to you, and if you get a drink, as you can see in this little clip. As you can see, this restaurant also has robots, just like Japan. A robot can also deliver your drinks to you. We're here joined with Owen, Logan, Logmog, Francisco, Alex, and Massimo. Thank you guys for keeping updated. The pinnacle of every sushi place is the quality and taste of their fish. Our very own has a piece of raw salmon.
Yo, where does run out of money for this?
You don't dip, you taste. It's very soft. It's a cooling, when you bite into it, you feel the freshness. It's not too fishy, as other fishy taste. It's just right there, and it's just when you bite into it, you just feel the ocean come into your mouth, and it's very nice, very cool, calm, collected taste.
You know what?